Hello to all my lovely followers. I am now in the car going to one of my favorite festivals in the whole world. Not that I've been to many, but I've been going to Glastonbury Festival since we first moved to the UK in 2004, and this is gonna be like, I don't know, whatever year we're going. So I flew from Malaga, Spain to London and spent a few days enjoying London with my daughter, and then this morning, Tuesday, my husband flew in with a massive backpack full of sports equipment, which is actually all our camping gear. As you can see, this car is absolutely full. Hello, Millie. She can't hear you. The husband is driving and we've got all the camping gear for 4 of us. So our 2 oldest, or the 2 older girls are coming with us, while the 2 younger ones are we're staying put at home, and they will be coming for the next festival in July. So, festival, Glastonbury. Yoo-hoo! How many of you love festivals? Put your hands up, let me know in the comment box. And if you haven't followed me already, don't forget to follow me. I hope to do daily vlogs of my time in Glastonbury. This is the 49th year. Next year's 50. That'll be a special year, but just keep watching anyway, and I will show you what it entails to actually participate as a festival goer for Glastonbury. The hardship, the queuing, the dragging of your bags through the mud. Maybe, we don't know. The weather seems to be like it's going to be sunny, it's going to be bright, but it looks a little bit grey right now. It's kind of, I can see little speckles of water on our car windshield, so we'll see. Managed to find the purple parking, which leads us towards the family camping area, very near to Pyramid Stage and the acoustic stage. And we still have to find the right purple parking area. We want to be as close to the gate as possible. We got so much crap to carry, drinks and food, and of course my big bag of festival gear. So I finally arrived in Glastonbury in the big queue. Let me tell you, Glastonbury is not for the faint-hearted. It is hardcore. You cannot sleep in a hotel anywhere. You have to sleep in the grounds, and there's no really luxury hotel-style lodging. So it's all just a lot of, there's caravan camping. There's also the very slightly luxury TP camping. But for the rest, it's just very woody style, village style, kampong style camping. Good morning. After sleeping on our sleeping mats and our sleeping bag as blanket, we're finally ready to go. Let's see. Right. The queue. We've been sleeping in the queue. Look at my trashed face. My husband's carrying just the bare minimum so that we can get to our camping ground ASAP, set up the tent, and then we get back to the car to get more stuff, and then I can clean up my face and look a bit human. Finally at the gate. And there's another queue forming on the other side. And it's finally at the gates! Yay! That's it! After sleeping through the night, being moved like twice, slept under the stars and in the cold. I have to put my poncho on because I was so cold last night. We are at the gate! Give me 2 minutes while we get there. Registration process, they check your tickets. Sorry, I'm just doing this for my vlog.
It's fine. Welcome to Glastonbury.
To Glastonbury.
Yours,
That's my ticket.
That's your envelope, but keep it out, please.
Yeah.
You get a wristband just over there.
Yes.
Good.
Check your face.
Big grins.
Colgate smile. That's how we get our wristband.
Massive queues here.
My hand. Give it to me.
You need to keep hold of this.
Yes. This is the famous Glastonbury wristband. Not too tight, please.
It's not tight.
Not too tight, yeah, otherwise it'll give me claustrophobia on my hands.
Okay.
Cute bag. There we go. Time to unpack and do our tent.
Aha.
So, less than an hour after entering the grounds of Glastonbury with this precious belt, check it out! Our pop-up tent, which was fresh and black. Foam and pot in there, and this is our living, dining, and party, our entrees. So check this out. Ta-da! We're gonna go back to the car, but it's now 9:10 in the morning. We are very hungry. Guess what we're having for breakfast? Steak and onion baps. Yum! And then we're gonna go back to the car and maybe do 2 more trips to bring all our drinks and more of our backpacks with all our clothes and just other camping gear. Leaving for our car run. Look at the queue. Wow. So we're finally back to the beginning of where we were queuing up last night, or like up in the field there. We're gonna go to our car. So. Hi! Back at the car to get more. We're exhausted. Amelia, how many runs do you think we can do?
1.
Just one. Look, even the horsey is all dressed up and ready for Glasto. Oh, oh, Millie. Such a pretty baby. For some lunch, rotisserie chicken, one of our favorite stalls. And we are going to be sitting out here to eat. It's a very, very warm day. It's beautiful weather. Thanks to global warming, Glastonbury's not been a washout for the last 2 events.
Now I'm coming towards the place that I recognise.
Are on the water, locked in the bridge, in North Dakota, no violence from the Dakota, standing there up, solid bodies in the way.
One of the many art pieces here. Hello, farmer boy. So after the tent setup and that second run to our car to get some stuff, we were so knackered. We had a giant power nap that lasted till about 3 p.m. and then we got up, washed up, so I'm all nice and clean now, and used the long drop. If you're not used to it, it's a bit of getting used to. And we've set up our tent, so I wanted to show you what is in our tent, so come and join me. Let me show you. So we've got our 2 tents here. The smaller one is a pop-up Quechua tent, sorry, it's my favorite brand. It's the black and fresh. And this tent is basically our water and supply tent. And if our daughter wants to sleep in here tomorrow night, she's arriving, we're gonna put her in here. And then the next tent is this one right here. This is the big Quechua tent too. All our clothes and shoes are in here, and this is the 4-man compartment. Let me just open this up. So we've got our blow-up mattress, and my favorite is this same Quechua brand too, and it is a little bit thicker than the other brand from what is it called, this brand here? Let me see, Adventure Ridge. And I've also got blow up pillows using the same valve kind of system from a brand called Show. I bought this on Amazon. And that's it, our sleeping bag, our favorite sleeping bag is from La Fuma, which we've had for like 15 or whatever years now. And that's it really. So back here, ta-da! So now we are off to go and put our stuff in the lockup. Let me see if I can zoom. There we go. And we're gonna start enjoying our day and just walking around and seeing which stall is where and what food stall is where, and just gonna enjoy tonight. It's gonna be fireworks in Glastonbury, so we're gonna be watching that. So join me for the next vlog for tomorrow. Have a good day. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to me right now. And I hope you enjoy my my adventures in Glastonbury. Bye.